Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Kita mo mga tatlo.
Eee. Happy birthday, birthday girl. Happy birthday, birthday girl. Wish you more birthdays to come, good health, and of course, more provision from the Lord. Ug unta maglast jud imong love sa kuha. Hehe.